how to fix Valorant alt tab problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here background apps. Now turn off all the background apps here just by turning off the first option, and then type here notifications and actions. Turn it off, and then type here game mode, and turn on game mode and go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, and now go to graphics settings and then click browse. You need to find your Riot games, and then Valorant live shooter game binaries win 64, and here you will find Valorant and click add, and once you're here, click on it here and click options and select high performance and save it. Now go back, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and try again, and your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.